Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hoya and Me channel. Today we are making chapati and curry. Let's start with the chapati. I've got 4 cups flour here, 2 plain flour and 2 brown flour called atta, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I've got warm water here, and I use that cup to measure my flour. I've got 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We are mixing our ingredients. I'll start with the butter, then the yogurt, the sugar. I'll go and mix my flour and come back. We have mixed our dough for the chapati. It's ready. I transferred the dough into a bowl with the lid. We have to cover for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. I've got chicken breast cut into small cubes, little bit oregano and salt and Maggi. I've got curry aroma sauce over there. I've got 4 tablespoons yogurt, 4 tablespoons coconut milk, 2 tablespoons mixed spices, onions, garlic, coriander and lime. I put 1 tablespoon of butter in the pan. I'll start frying now, putting everything together. The onion, the garlic, coriander, the spices. Okay, we have to fry it for a little bit. It's now fried. I'll put in a bowl. We are now frying the chicken. I put on my spices, the curries, and a little bit of Maggi. Let's fry this properly. I've got my frying onions now. I'll mix everything so that I can go and blend. I'll go and blend. I've blended everything together. My chicken is dry now. I'll now add to my chicken. Our curry is ready to be served. We are now doing the chapati. I've cut into small pieces. You have to put some little oil. And fold. Same. You have to put some oil. And fold it. We'll continue all the same. We are now making the chapati. the other side. Just a little bit oil, not too much. I'll cook all and come back. Our chapati and chicken curry are ready.